Everyone, welcome to Magicy. Today I'll be sharing with you all certain points which we forget after learning Reiki. So let's see which all these points are. So this is my channel which is in Hindi. If you want to see my videos in Hindi, you can go there. So number one point is exercise a bit daily. If you are a Reiki practitioner or even if you are not, to make yourself energized, to clean your aura daily, just shake your body a bit. I won't say that you need to join gym or so. You just do 5 to 10 minutes exercise daily, or a simple walk will also help. Be spiritually guided means you don't need to do lots of puja and all. Just say a simple prayer daily. Just pray to God, pray to whoever God you trust on or you believe in. Just a simple prayer is important. Make this a habit to protect yourself daily. Meditate for only 5 to 10 minutes daily. People think that Reiki is like means a lot of meditation. It's not like that. It is basically that you need to energize yourself if you are a Reiki practitioner, or you wanted to feel calm and feel better. So just 5 to 10 minutes meditation will help you a lot. You can do stillness meditation where you just sit still for 5 minutes. That's it. No guided, no music, nothing is required. This you can do anywhere. Give Reiki to those only who ask you. Don't give Reiki to everybody, whosoever you see somebody is having problem. No. Just let them ask you first and then only give Reiki. If you feel drained after Reiki, or you feel like your energies gets reduced, so what you can do is give your Reiki to your solar plexus after every healing. Detach yourself from all the results. Don't bring your ego in front, thinking that why am I not able to heal somebody and why this problem is arising again and again, because there are multiple factors for the person to get healed. Always wash your hands before and after Reiki. Reiki is done not by the healer. He is only the medium. So never say in your prayer that I am healing this person, I am doing this. No, you are just a medium. That way you will be saving your own energies to be transferred to some other person. Just remember this, that you are not a doctor. Never stop medications of somebody. Just ask them to get the checkup done and give the treatment side by side. That way the treatment time will reduce. Never give Reiki for free. Just take some energy exchange. Energy exchange does not mean only money. You can ask them to do something good for some poor people. You can ask them to do something in exchange for you. After meditation, we are filled with lots of energy. So you can lock your fingers like this for 5 minutes to save these energy in your body. 24 healing points is not just for the people who do Reiki level 1. So this thing which you can do any day, any time. And if you're not able to do this, give Reiki to your chakras. This will only take 9 minutes. So for this, all you can do is give Reiki to 2 chakras at a time with your both hands. Spend time with nature. Do the grounding. Person giving Reiki or receiving Reiki, they both should be comfortable. It should not be that the person who is giving Reiki having pain in hands, having pain in legs while standing or while giving Reiki. They both should be comfortable. That's why it is suggested to keep a pillow or something to hold your hands or to feel comfortable. Eat healthy to keep your Uja healthy. Try to follow one Reiki principle per day. If you're not able to follow all of them at once, try with one at least. Try one today, next day another, next day another. Because they are very important and they help you change as a person. You'll feel very calm inside and you'll feel much better. Try to drink water from silver or copper bottle once in a day, at least in the morning. This will energize your body. Do not heal others if you are not well, because if our energies are not good, we can't help others. You can do candle gazing meditation. It's a very simple meditation and very amazing meditation. All you have to do is keep a candle in front of your eyes and just keep gazing it for 5 minutes. It should be at a distance of 2 feet from you. Keep it on a table. It should be at an eye level. Aura bathing. Aura bathing is very important for all healers, and it can be done by anybody who feels stress, depression. All you need to do is take a bowl, small bowl of rock salt, and add it in your bathing water, 2 to 3 mugs, and just take a bath, thinking that all my bad energies are getting wiped off, and then take a normal bath. To keep your energies clean, home energies also needs to be clean. So you can do many things for home, like burning camphor, sweeping your home with the salt water, and keeping it neat and clean. You can burn diyas of mustard oil or ghee, burn candles around you, salt sweeping. You can play chantings like Om chanting or any mantra chanting. They also have a different vibrations which helps clean your chakras and the home environment too. So I hope I cleared all the points. Just go through them once again, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you.